Welcome back to Anunnaki Knowledge Hub. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-bending mysteries of our time, the strange, unexplained objects that have crossed our solar system and made us question everything we know about the universe. From interstellar oddballs to asteroid treasure troves, we're about to embark on a journey through the unknown. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Oumuamua, the interstellar oddball. In October 2017, something strange zipped through our solar system. It wasn't from around here. Scientists at the University of Hawaii spotted a strange object hurtling past the sun. It was moving too fast, much too fast to have originated from inside our solar system. And just like that, we had our first confirmed visitor from the stars, a bizarre interstellar object named Oumuamua. The name, in Hawaiian, means a messenger from afar arriving first. But what exactly was it delivering? From the start, Oumuamua refused to play by the rules. It wasn't round like an asteroid. It wasn't fuzzy like a comet. Instead, early observations suggested it was long and cigar-shaped, maybe 800 meters in length, but only a tenth as wide. That alone was strange. Nature doesn't usually build things in that shape. Later, data hinted it might be flat, more like a pancake. But even stranger, it was accelerating, speeding up as it exited the solar system. Comets sometimes do that when they release gas, but Oumuamua showed no signs of outgassing, no tail, no dust cloud, nothing, just a silent departure, and a baffled scientific community in its wake. Mainstream scientists scrambled for explanations. Some said it was a chunk of nitrogen ice, or maybe a hydrogen iceberg, evaporating invisibly. But these ideas, while clever, were shaky at best. And that's when Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb stepped in with a bold suggestion. What if it wasn't natural at all? What if Oumuamua was a piece of alien technology, a broken probe, a defunct solar sail drifting through the galaxy until it stumbled into our neighborhood? He argued its motion made more sense if sunlight was pushing on it, like how light might move a super-thin structure. That would mean it wasn't a rock, but a device. If Loeb was right, if even 1% right, then Oumuamua may have been the first physical evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth, not a signal, not a theory, but an object, something built, manufactured, designed. Most of the scientific community still leans toward natural explanations, but even they admit, Oumuamua is weird, too weird to forget. By the time we saw it, it was already on its way out, leaving behind more questions than answers. And maybe that's exactly what a messenger is supposed to do. 16 Psyche, a metal-rich mystery. As we continue our cosmic journey, we turn our gaze to an object that's much closer, but no less mysterious. Nestled between Mars and Jupiter lies a massive asteroid, one so unique it's earned a nickname, 16 Psyche. Unlike most asteroids, which are rocky and dusty, Psyche is made of metal. Pure metallic treasure, iron, nickel, and even some traces of gold. In fact, it's believed to be the core of a long-lost planet. What's left after a cosmic collision left its outer shell shattered. Imagine a planet forming, like the Earth did. Layers and layers of dust and gas colliding, pulling together, eventually forming a molten mass. Over time, this planet's core would settle deep inside, while the outer layers solidify to form a rocky crust. Now imagine something catastrophic happens. A massive collision tears the planet apart, and all that remains is the bare metallic core. That's Psyche, a fragment of a planet that never quite made it. It's unlike anything we've ever seen. An asteroid that's not just rocky, but metallic, like a planet's inner heart left floating in space. Psyche is a treasure chest waiting to be explored. In fact, NASA is so intrigued by this unique object that it's sending a spacecraft, Psyche, to study it up close. The mission is set to launch in 2029, and it will take nearly 5 years to reach this mysterious asteroid. But why the rush? Why is this metallic world so important? Well, studying Psyche could give us a glimpse into the building blocks of planets. A close-up look at a planetary core, something we can't study here on Earth, could unlock secrets about how Earth itself formed. And of course, there's the tantalizing possibility that Psyche holds vast amounts of precious metals, enough to make Earth's economy look like pocket change. Some estimates suggest its value could be worth trillions of dollars. But how did it get there? Was it always a leftover fragment of a destroyed planet? Or could there be something more hidden beneath its shiny surface? Bennu, the bag of marbles asteroid. Next up, we turn our attention to one of the most famous asteroids in recent years, Bennu. And it's not just famous for its unique characteristics. It's been the subject of NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission, which spent years studying the surface of this rocky object up close. Bennu is what's known as a rubble pile asteroid. Its surface is made up of loose boulders, gravel, and rocks, all packed together like a giant bag of marbles. It's essentially a giant heap of debris that's held together by gravity, and not much else. When OSIRIS-REx arrived, it found a surface unlike anything we've seen before. It's a chaotic, boulder-strewn landscape, loose, unstable, and full of surprises. In fact, scientists had to be careful just landing on Bennu. The surface was so unpredictable that they needed to pick a safe spot to collect samples. And what did they find? Small particles and dust that hint at the ancient history of the solar system. Bennu is thought to be a leftover building block from the formation of our solar system, an object that's been around for billions of years. But Bennu isn't just a relic of the past, it's a ticking time bomb. Bennu has a 1 in 1,750% chance of colliding with Earth in the late 2100s. Though that may seem low, it's enough to get scientists worried. If Bennu were to impact Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic, enough to change the course of history. But it's not just its potential collision with Earth that's captured our imagination. Some scientists have speculated that Bennu might be hollow. Maybe it's not just a pile of rocks and debris at all, but something more. Could it be an artificial object? A spaceship of ancient origin? The idea might sound far-fetched, but the more we learn about Bennu, the more questions arise. Could it be that we're looking at more than just a random asteroid? Could Bennu be something else entirely? Other unexplained deep space objects. Now, as we wrap up our exploration of these enigmatic asteroids, we must ask, are these the only strange objects in space? Or could there be others lurking out there waiting to reveal themselves? Let's take a quick journey through some of the most mysterious objects we've discovered in deep space. Objects that defy explanation. The cow. In 2018, astronomers detected something incredible, an object that exploded with immense energy, known as the cow. Unlike anything we'd seen before, this mysterious burst of light has left scientists scratching their heads. What caused it? A supernova? A neutron star? No one knows for sure, but the explosion was like nothing we've ever witnessed before. Tabby's star. This star has been dimming in a way that no one can explain. Could it be an alien megastructure, like a Dyson sphere, built by an advanced civilization to harness the star's energy? Or is there a natural phenomenon at work? The mystery surrounding Tabby's star has yet to be solved, and it continues to be a subject of intense study and debate. Fast radio bursts, FRBs. And then we have the strange case of fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These high-energy signals, which last only milliseconds, have been detected from deep space. Their origin remains a complete mystery. Some scientists think they might be the result of neutron stars or black holes, while others entertain the possibility that they could be SOS signals from intelligent civilizations. The truth is still out there, somewhere. The wow signal. Finally, we come to one of the most famous unexplained signals in history, the wow signal. Detected in 1977, this radio signal was so unusual that astronomer Jerry Amon wrote "wow" in the margins of his notebook. It was a brief, intense burst of radio waves, one that has never been explained. Could it have been from an alien civilization? It remains one of the most compelling unsolved mysteries of space. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through the strange and mysterious objects in our universe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the unknown, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future adventures through space. And hey, if you found this video mind-blowing, share it with someone who loves a good mystery. Let's spread the wonder together. Until next time, keep looking up. Who knows what we'll discover next?
People pass by like like patterns in rain. I try to catch their eyes, but they look away. Moving through masses of faces and forms, feeling so small in this gathering storm. I'm standing in spaces where nobody sees, dancing alone in this human sea, surrounded by bodies that blur as they breathe, so close but so far from reaching me. Drifting downstream through rivers of souls, pressing and pushing, but missing their roles. Silent and still while the world spins around, searching for something that can't be found. And I reach out my hands through the crowd, touch nothing but air speaking loud, but my voice disappears in the sound.